Good morning everyone. This is Aisha Fatima from BTech second year. Hope you all are good at home. So today my topic is Mannich reaction. Mannich reaction is taken from the chapter nitrohydrocarbons. It is from organic chemistry. So first of all, let us see what nitrohydrocarbons are. Nitrohydrocarbons are the organic compounds which are formed from hydrocarbons. How are they formed? The hydrocarbons consist of carbon and hydrogen. So the hydrogens of the hydrocarbons are replaced by nitro group, that is NO2 group. Hence the nitrohydrocarbons are formed. These can be of two types, nitroalkenes and nitroarenes. When these are formed from alkanes, they are called as nitroalkanes, and if they are formed from arenes, these are called as nitroarenes. So this whole chapter revolves around the nitroalkanes and nitroarenes. So let us see what is Mannich reaction. Basically this Mannich reaction involves nitroalkanes. So let us see what is Mannich reaction. So Mannich reaction, nitroalkanes is the most important reaction in this reaction. So the nitroalkanes react with formaldehyde and either ammonia or primary amine to give a condensed product. This condensed product is termed as the Mannich base. Let us see the reaction. First of all, nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes with alpha hydrogens. The nitroalkanes must contain at least one alpha hydrogen. So let us look at the reaction. Nitroalkanes are CH2NO2. This is primary nitroalkane on reaction with formaldehyde HCHO plus ammonia NH3 or primary amine NH2R gives a condensed product. What is the product? R CH2 NH R here NO2. So this is the condensed product. Primary nitroalkane. This is formaldehyde. This is ammonia. And this is primary amine. Any of these, either ammonia or primary amine, gives a condensed product. This condensed product is termed as the Mannich base, and this base is named after the scientist Mannich base. Now let us see what are the main points of this reaction. The main points which are to be noted in this reaction are: first of all, this reaction is a condensation reaction. First of all, this reaction is a condensation reaction. It is a condensation reaction because removal of water molecule takes place for the formation of the product. Hence, it is termed as the condensation reaction. Next, the formed condensed product is termed as the Mannich base. Mannich base is the formed condensed product. Next, at least one alpha hydrogen should be present in the nitroalkane in order to involve in this reaction. At least one alpha hydrogen should be present in the nitroalkane. So, hence we can say that only primary and secondary nitroalkanes involved in this reaction, because primary and secondary nitroalkanes have alpha hydrogens in them, but tertiary nitroalkane does not involve in this reaction. Tertiary nitroalkanes do not involve in this reaction because they do not have any alpha hydrogens. So due to the absence of alpha hydrogens, the tertiary nitroalkanes cannot involve in this reaction. So these are the main points which are to be kept in mind. Next, let us see the reaction with mechanism. Step 1. In the first step, what happens? The formaldehyde and formaldehyde gas reacts with either ammonia or primary amine. Let's see what happens. Formaldehyde. We can write formaldehyde as CH2 double bond O. HCHO. This is formaldehyde. It reacts with what? Either ammonia NH3, that is we can write ammonia NH3 as NH2S, or primary amine NH2R. This is formaldehyde, this is ammonia, and this is primary amine. Now let us see what happens. Here oxygen is present, here H2. Removal of water molecules, H2O. If ammonia participates, H2O. If primary amine, H2O. So however, water molecule is removed. Minus H2O. Water molecule is removed, and what is formed? CH2, double bond, NS or NR. Let us take NR. So this is the product formed. Now this product is termed as Kipps base. What? Kipps base. It is called Kipps base. Now let us see what happens in the next step. Step 2. In step 2, this Kipps base reacts with primary nitroalkane. Let us see how it happens. We can write primary nitroalkane like this: R, C, S, 1 H here, and O2. Look, R, C, H, another H, and O2. So this is primary nitroalkane. It reacts with Kipps base, CH2, double bond, and R. Now let us look what happens. Here, as this nitrogen is highly electronegative than this carbon, it attracts the pi bonded electrons of this carbon towards itself, and hence it gets negative charge. As a result, as this carbon lost electrons, it gets positive charge. Similarly, here this hydrogen donates its electrons to this carbon and gets positive charge. Now this carbon, as it gained electrons, it gets negative charge. Now what happens? This positively charged proton reaches to this negatively charged nitrogen like this, and this positively charged carbon reaches to the negatively charged carbon. Let's see what is formed. Here look, R as it is, CS, NO2, here CH2, single bond, as this bond is shifted here, single bond, and here H, this H comes here, H and R. So this is the product formed. See, both of them are same, RCS, NO2, CH2 and HR. That means this is the final product, and this product is known as the Mannix base. Mannix base. This is the condensed product. As this is the condensed product, this reaction is a condensation reaction. So here we have taken primary nitroalkane and its mechanism. Now let us see this reaction with secondary nitroalkane. Let us look what happens. Secondary nitroalkane. R, CS, and NO2. This is secondary nitroalkane, reacts with HCSO formaldehyde and either ammonia NH3 or primary amine NH2. Secondary nitroalkane, formaldehyde, and this ammonia primary amine. It forms the product similar. Both are same. Only the difference is here this is primary nitroalkane. It has one extra hydrogen than the secondary nitroalkane. Look here, two alkyl groups, here one alkyl group. So one hydrogen group is substituted by one alkyl group here. So the same product is formed, except only this hydrogen hydrogen is replaced by an R, that is alkyl group. So what is the product? R, NO2, CH2, NH, R. So this is the product, condensed product. By taking secondary nitroalkane, this is the condensed product. Let us see the mechanism. It is similar to the primary nitroalkane mechanism. First of all, in the first step, what happens? Secondary nitroalkane, formaldehyde and ammonia react with each other. We can write formaldehyde as CH2 double bond O, and next what? Either ammonia or primary amine. Ammonia, NH2 S, or primary amine, NH2 R. Next, let's see what happens here. Similar to this one here, water molecule is removed, H2O. If it participates, if primary amine participates, then H2O. Both. This is ammonia, and this is formaldehyde. So water molecule is removed, minus H2O, and what is the product next? CH2 double bond NH or NR. Let's take NR. Again, what is this? Fifth base. This is also fifth base. Now what happens in the second reaction? Let us look. Second step, sorry. In the second step, what happens? Again, secondary nitroalkane reacts with that fifth base. Secondary nitroalkane, we can write like this. NO2 H. Secondary nitroalkane reacts with fifth base CH2 double bond and R. Again, same. As this nitrogen is highly electronegative, it attracts the pi bonded electrons of this carbon towards itself and gets negative charge. This carbon as a result gets positive charge. Here, this hydrogen gives its electrons to this carbon and gains positive charge. This carbon as a result gets negative charge. Now this positively charged hydrogen goes to the negatively charged nitrogen group N, and this positively charged goes here to the negatively charged carbon. Let's see what happens. Similar to the last equation. Here, what is formed now? C, R, NO2, H gets here, single bond, CH2. Here single bond because this bond is shifted towards the nitrogen. So single bond N, and here H comes to the nitrogen NH and R. So this is the product. It is also a condensed product. Thus, same to same. These two are same, primary nitroalkane and secondary nitroalkane. This is the reaction of primary nitroalkane. This is the mechanism of secondary nitroalkane. So from the primary nitroalkane and secondary nitroalkane, both are similar except one thing. Here H is substituted by one R. R means alkyl group. So that is the only difference between primary nitroalkane mechanism and secondary nitroalkane mechanism. Thus, in this reaction, primary and secondary nitroalkanes involved. Let us see what about tertiary nitroalkane. Tertiary nitroalkane are C, NO2. Are there any alpha hydrogens? No, there are no alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogens are nothing but the hydrogens which are attached to the primary carbon. So here no hydrogens are attached to this carbon. So there are no alpha hydrogens. Absence of alpha hydrogens. As we have already said that there should be at least one alpha hydrogen in the nitroalkane. But here there are no alpha hydrogens. So due to the absence of alpha hydrogens, this reaction does not take place. No reaction. This reaction does not take place. So we can say that in this reaction only primary and secondary nitroalkanes involved. So let me explain it once again. Manic reaction. In manic reaction, nitroalkanes react with formaldehyde and either ammonia or primary amine to give a condensed product with the help of removal of one water molecule. It gives a condensed product, and this condensed product is termed as the manic phase. So the main points which are to be kept in place in this reaction are, first of all, this reaction is a condensation reaction, as we have seen that removal of water molecule takes place here. So as the removal of water molecule takes place, this is the condensation reaction, and the formed condensed product is called as the manic phase. Next point which is to be noted is that at least one alpha hydrogen should be present in the nitroalkanes in order to involve in this reaction. So only primary and secondary nitroalkanes involve in this reaction because they contain alpha hydrogen. Tertiary nitroalkanes do not involve in this reaction due to the absence of alpha hydrogen. So these are the main points which should be kept in mind. And next, let us see the mechanism. First of all, this is formaldehyde. We can write HCHO, formaldehyde as CH2 double bond O. It reacts with either ammonia or primary amine. Ammonia NH2H, primary amine NH2R. Removal of water molecules. It forms Gibbs base. Now this Gibbs base reacts with the primary nitroalkanes to form the final condensed product, manic phase. Look, here this is primary nitroalkane, and this is Gibbs base. Now, in this Gibbs base, this nitrogen is highly electronegative atom. So it attracts the 5 bonded electrons of this carbon towards itself and hence gains negative charge. As a result, this carbon gets positive charge as it has lost electrons. Now here, this hydrogen gives its electron to this carbon and gets positive charge, and similarly this carbon simultaneously gets negative charge. Now what happens, this positively charged H plus ion goes to the negatively charged nitrogen, and here this positively charged carbon with its hydrogen goes to this negatively charged carbon, and finally we get this product. This is known as the manic phase, and this is the final condensed product. Let us see the mechanism of secondary nitroalkane. This was the mechanism of primary nitroalkane. Let us see the mechanism of secondary nitroalkane. This secondary nitroalkane has an additional alkyl group when compared to this primary nitroalkane. Here one hydrogen atom is substituted by one alkyl group. So it is termed as the secondary nitroalkane, and it now reacts with formaldehyde and either ammonia or primary amine to form this condensed product. Now let us see the mechanism. Same to same. Both of these are same mechanisms. Formaldehyde can be written as CH2 double bond O, then ammonia NH2H, primary amine NH2R, again removal of water molecules, formation of Gibbs base. Now in the second step, again this Gibbs base reacts with the secondary nitroalkane. We can write secondary nitroalkane like this. Secondary nitroalkane RRCNO2H. Again, this is Gibbs base. What happens again? Nitrogen highly electronegative atom attracts the 5 bonded electrons of carbon towards itself and gets negative charge. As a result, carbon gets positive charge. Similarly, here hydrogen gives its electrons to the carbon and gets positive charge. This carbon simultaneously gets negative charge and positive negative. This goes here, and finally forms this product. This is also the condensed product. So we can say that in this reaction, primary and secondary nitroalkanes involve in this reaction, and tertiary nitroalkanes do not involve in this reaction. This is tertiary nitroalkane. It does not involve in this reaction because it does not have any alpha hydrogen. Due to the absence of alpha hydrogen, it does not involve in this reaction. So we can say that primary, secondary nitroalkanes involved in this reaction, and tertiary nitroalkanes due to the absence of alpha hydrogens do not involve in this reaction. Hope you all have understood well. Department for giving me this golden opportunity, and again I will come with a new video with another reaction, inshallah. Till then, please stay at home and stay safe. Take proper precautions. Thank you.